Hi, this is Joan Pounds. Today we're going to talk about how to add your first blog post in WordPress. Blog posts are basically all about keywords, so you'll want to get out your keyword list so that you can add as many keywords into your text as you possibly can. A good ratio is about 10% keywords to the total number of words in the actual post. Alright, so let's go ahead over to our WordPress and get started. Here we are in the dashboard, and I went ahead and clicked on posts and then add new, and here we are at add a new post. So you want to have at least one keyword in your title, and you'll be adding the title right in here where it says enter title here, and then you'll be adding the text of your blog post right in here. And then this, you notice up here it says upload and insert, and this is where you upload or insert a picture. Okay? If you don't see both of the lines of buttons here, just go ahead and click on this kitchen sink. This shows or hides your kitchen sink. Kitchen sink is the number of buttons that you have on the rows to deal with. Let's go ahead and go down a little bit before we actually get into creating the blog post, and I want to show you a few other things here. We have the all-in-one SEO pack installed, and this will take care of all your SEO settings for this particular blog post. You'll just go ahead and copy the title in this area in here, create a small description of less than 160 characters, and place it in here. And then any keywords that apply to this article, you're going to place those right down in here. We're going to come over to the right-hand side, and we're going to use the tags, and you put any tags. Basically what I do is I copy the keywords and over here to the tags and tag this blog post with the keywords. And then for the categories, I go ahead and click on the appropriate category or add a new category if that's what needs to be done in this area. And then I'll go ahead and save a draft of this. And I save the draft so that I can come back later and use Blog Glue to grade the draft. Let me show you how that works. Okay, so here we are, and I went ahead and took the liberty of going ahead and typing in everything so you didn't have to just listen through all the painfulness of that. So here I have my blog post, and I've put in a couple of tables in here and a link. And so I'm going to come down here, and you'll notice you have some in-text links. I never use these because it just clutters up my article. But I've copied and pasted the title in here down in the all-in-one SEO pack, and I've created a small description. This has 103 characters out of a maximum of 160, so that's a pretty good size. And it's got some overlap between the title words, long-term care insurance, and the description. Here's long-term care insurance again. So that's really good. And I went ahead and used my keywords down in here, and then I placed, you'll notice that this Zamanta is the plugin that I used for this, and it suggests keywords or tags for you. And I went ahead and applied all, and then it places the tags up in here for me. I went ahead and chose the category of long-term care insurance because that's the one that we're really honing in on here. And then I went ahead and published this, but we're going to test it. I want to show you what happens with Blog Glue here. So here it is. It's given me a page score of 100%. And Blog Glue will actually go out there and check to see for the title length and the description overlap and the document overlap. It does all this wonderful stuff for you. And then it'll give you tips and tricks on perhaps if you don't have 100% or an A+ on your article, it'll tell you where to make some modifications so that you can get to that area. So that I find that to be a very helpful tool. So go ahead and update this. While it's updating, I'm going to go ahead and pull up this other tab so that I can show you what this looks like. Give it just a moment to load. And here's our blog post. So it's got everything within the borders. The table fits in here nicely, and some bolding and a link in here. It looks really great. So that's basically all there is to creating your first blog post. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead on out to monetizationmagic.com, click on the Ask Software Girl tab, and go ahead and leave your comments and questions there. I'll be happy to get back with you. Until next time, this is Joan Pounds. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.